getting stunned in the ball simulator. It's pretty nice. But other ways aside from that are maps. And this is gonna be part 2 of trying to get the porcelain nipper and gummy bee. But for some reason, I didn't know you had to get a badge for gummy bee. So I'm gonna try to be getting that. But kinda gonna have to sacrifice my 1030 gumdrops. But I don't wanna do that. So yeah. And I need to get that much. Alright. Who has a gummy bee and who has a lot of gumdrops? Because I need that. And I'm lagging! Alright, anyways. We have this ticket thingy. And we have Red HQ. And we have Scorpion. Scorpion, let's just kill him. Get juked. Ankles. Gumdrop! Even more gumdrops! Hee hot. So anyways, I'm gonna see if I can kill Werewolf to get more of this things that Queso likes. But anyways, yeah. Oh, he has a... Sir, are you aware that your leg is only gray? Just gray? Oh, he died. Yippee! I just got a ding. I also want to get Bear Bee and Cobalt and Crimson Bee. So yeah. Alright, Polar Bear. Okay. Cool. Alright, give me another quest. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to. Nah, it should be easy. I'm just gonna plant it right there. Hee 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 haw. Oh, music stuff. Oh my golly gosh. Oh, Vicious Bee got defeated like I care. Anyways, oh my god, I'm getting so much pollen! Alright, Cactus Field, no. Let's go to Rose Field. Come on, Slip. I mean bees? Yeah, bees. Totally did not just say that. Anyways, it's kinda easy. Because I have this like little baby thing. That it's the baby version of that big thing, but like I'm ever gonna get that. I highly doubt it. But if I do get it, then ooh, cool. Anyways, Rosefield, yeah, whatever. I also want to get to the 30 bee zone and 35 bee zone. Because I like coconuts. Don't ask why. Just don't consider it. And if any of you guys say in the comments, oh, Ups is being sus. No. I have 55 missiles pointed to your house. Better not say it. Ooh, gumdrops! Haw. Anyways. After this quest thingy, I'm gonna go and kill a king bully. Wait, bat? Ooh. Wow! No way! 10 tickets are mine! Hey, I'm actually gonna get this way sooner than I thought. Hee 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 ha. I thought this is gonna take more than 5,562 business days. But I might get this for I hate you, stupid rhino beetle. Alright, polar bear. But now, even before I turn that thing in, I am gonna go to King Bully. Come on, King Bully, you can't touch me. Can't touch this. Can't touch it. Please give me an amulet, cause this one, I mean, I guess it's good. Oh my god, it gave me an amulet! Anyways, bamboo field. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Sure, why not? I'll just replace it. Okay. I'm lagging! Alright, anyways. I'm approximately gonna need like 100 more tickets. And then I get that little cobalt and crimson. But I'm gonna need another 250 tickets for crimson because I want to get cobalt first. That's all the ingredients I need. Okay, let me whip some. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Alright, pumpkin pie. Bro, I just start make. I don't want to kill those people. Well, I kind of do, but anyway, I don't want to do it right now. Just give me the Just give me the freaking quest. Lion bee digging for pollen, and he left. Womp womp. Sucker, gosh darn it. Yo, is that person using glue over there? I mean, not glue, goo. Look, anyways. I also want to get Star Saw with this gosh darn Bronze Star amulet. Even though it does suck, I want to get Star Saw still. I'm lagging. Alright, now time to kill some mantises. Hello, little mantises. Hey, don't jump at me or else I'll jump at you. Okay, good. Gumdrops! Yippee! Anyways. Collect 150 sprout tokens. No problem. No problem. No problem. Hey, that guy has cobalt and crimson! And probably Bearby! And He has every single goal that I want. How dare he? I hate him. Hope that person dies by Mando chick. That little goofball. Don't ever see him at my whole career. Collect 100 strawberry tokens. I want to go to the strawberry field. Alright, kill that mushroom. Okay, good. I got poisoned because I touched the mushroom. Nice. Hey, that's coconut field he's in. With Wendy Bee. I hate that guy. And now I just got poisoned again. No problem. Keep getting poisoned and I love it. I don't want to do this. I'm also gonna need to kill mantises. I don't want to do that. Ooh! More stuff to get poisoned by. Let's go. Aw, but that's gonna take longer. But I want it to. But I want it now. Nah, bro, I got too lazy. I'm gonna summon a Hemi Storm for poor people. Yeah. And I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Anyways, let's see who's on this leaderboard. Let's see if I'm on it. Probably not. Ah, darn it. Not fair. And I give you a royal jelly and a ticket? No way, you completed 5 of my quests. So. And every new quest becomes a little bit more. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. That's not even challenging, bro. Get better, brown bear. You suck. White pollen. Guess what? There's only like, I don't know, one white field. And that's spider field. So, hee-hee-hee-haw. I'm lagging. Ooh, go drops! I need all that loot, I need all that. Yippee! Alright, anyways. About that. I'm lagging. Alright, white pollen? Yeah, come on. Oh, royal jellies. Hee-hee-hee-haw. Ooh, pineapple! I need that for the a quest for science fair, I think. I don't know. So now I got that. Ooh! Stuff that I can get poisoned by. No, but it's gonna take a long time. I don't want to do it now. I think I spelled adopted wrong. I don't know. Anyways, let's talk to Brown Stinking Bear. And his quest rewards suck. Probably because I've never done a quest in my life. Hot flint, no, but it's about to go away. Wendy B has summoned from a cloud file. Okay. Completed 6 of my blah 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 blah. Stop yapping. Yo, no way! I just got 1 royal jelly. I can only give you a quest once an hour. I hate that guy. Anyways, let's see if Commando Chick is up to anything. Parkour. 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 Parkour, yo! Nah, bro. I'm good. I'm just gonna go to Tunnel Bear instead. Bro, why won't this kill him? Alright, finally. What the Sigma? Anyway, I hate you. I hate. He also has Tappy Bee, bruh. Next thing you know, he has Photon. This guy. I don't like. And Vicious Bee. And Crimson and Cobalt. Hate that guy. And don't tell me he has 35 beat. I can confirm that that's 35 beats, I think. And I get... Did I just saw a code buddy go straight through that. Anyways. Ticket shop. I would like to get Puppy Bee, but not right now. I want to get Photon, Crimson, Cobalt, maybe Tabby, I don't know, and then Puppy, and then Festive. I don't know anymore. But I want to have Bear and Gummy Bee. And I'm lagging! Boing. Why am I lagging? Oh my god. Stupid lag. Yeah. Anyways, let's go activate my sticker thingy-mabobber. Yo, I can see through this wall. What's poppin'? I see, what is that? A robo thingy? And then, what's right next? Oh, it's a robo thing for, like, the ticket thing. For the challenge. Yeah, challenge. Yeah. Right. Alright, only have one thing. Honeysuckles? Yeah, so I can suck that honey. Ooh, gumdrops! Yeah, so I'm gonna leave because this is boring. Oh, yippee. Anyways. And I have 2 million anyways, that's gone. Get me up this ladder. Oh my god. Gifted Riley Bee. I hate you. Gifted Bucko Bee. I also hate you. But a honeybee, I like. Honeybee, I like honeybee. Honeybee man. This guy way better than all of you. Buzz, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 okay. Ooh, treats. Like I could eat the... I'm probably gonna wrap this up. Well, not after I'm done doing that thingy. Actually, yeah. So, I will be leaving this time. Like and sub. And yeah.